Aren't following me on Instagram yet, Tyler Trades, go ahead and do that right now. I post tons of important updates, and I also give analysis and alerts on there as well, so go check it out. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's dive into Bank of America. Bank of America has been a really good stock that I've been trading ever since June of 2016. I bought here, I closed in this correction, and then we recently, just earlier in the year, we bought January 18th. We bought it 29 to 30. We would trade it from 29, 30, 30 back to 29. We'd be buying and reselling the whole time. So ever since I told everybody, you know what? I told all my students it's not gonna go ahead and stay up here anymore. I don't think that Bank of America could stay. And I think Bank of America is going to pull back down to the 24.50 level. So what we've been doing was we bought Bank of America earlier, about a couple days ago, as a matter of fact, when Bank of America pulled back down to this level. So when Bank of America was down at 22.91, we bought. Now the reason why we bought it is because price pulled back down to the conversion line. And whenever price pulls back down to the conversion line, especially on the monthly time frame, there's a higher percentage and a higher chance that price can go ahead and reverse and bounce off. So this is how it looks. We bought right there. We have our stop loss pretty tight. I don't like having a tight stop loss on Bank of America. I don't like having a big stop loss on Bank of America. I like having a tight stop. So about $21 per share. And take profit number 1 will be about $31.50. Take profit number 2 would be about $36 per share. That's what I'll be looking at for Bank of America to get to by June or July.